Assalamu alaikum. So in our last video, we learned how to create a very basic AR application. And if you did not check my last video, you should need to check because the next video that we are currently covering is on top of that. So remember, we need at least two objects to make a AR scene. One is called AR session, and other one is the XR origin that have our camera as well. So these are the two minimum game objects are required to run the application. So today we are going to add plane manager to detect the surface in our environment. So we need to go to a session, and here we have to add AR plane manager. So sorry, this should need to be added on XR origin because as you know, as we add this AR plane manager, it automatically add the XR origin. So let me undo this and then go to XR manager, and we have to add AR plan manager. So this is our plan manager that will instantiate the plan whenever it detects a surface. So therefore you require a plane prefab. So luckily we have the option of plane as well. So you go to XR, and here you can find AR default plan. There are different other settings, like it has two component AR plane and AR plane mesh visualizer, and this is actually consists of line render. So let's make a prefab of it, AR plane, default plane, because we have to assign it to our manager. Let's call it prefab. Let's put it here as it is, delete from the scene, and then go to our AR plan manager and need to assign this thing here in the AR plan manager. One important setting is reduction mode. Here we have different reduction mode like horizontal, vertical, not axis align. So if you want to save some computation, you can select a specific thing according to your application requirement. Like if you want to detect horizontal or vertical plane detection. So I'm going with default, so we can see that what's happening with that. It will detect every kind of surface. Let me plug my device and then run this to my device. I hope that everything will work fine as it is. So you can see that it starts detecting the surface